Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hello. Hello. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Hello. Hi, Stash. Hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hello. Say goodbye. Hang on. Hello. What's up? Hello. Almost. What's up? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Hang on. Bye-bye. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Bye-bye. 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 Bye. See ya. What you doing? What's that? What you doing? No. Hello. Hang on. Hang on. Hello. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hello. Which in turn causes wind, and that's what we're looking out for. What you doing? This is in the El Cerrito area. Hello. Hang on. 22 miles per hour. A little more to the east, westerlies at 31. West northwest along the hello. To 29. To the north. Hang on. Hang on. Hello. Hang on. Hang on. High pressures on its hills, and that's where we're getting very windy conditions. So if you're out and about this say goodbye. 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 Oh, you got people walking by. You got people walking by. The nerve. The nerve. The nerve. Hello. No more hellos? Hello. Hello. Say hi. Peanut. Peanut. You want peanut? Cookie? Where's the cookie? Hang on. You go find the cookie? Hang on.
And can help you regain your independence. It's called the Jacuzzi Home Safety Bath.
Huh?
But how do you know it's the right choice for
where's
you?
The cookie?
Just ask yourself these questions.
Where's the peanut?
Our baths
peanut?
are designed with the lowest possible entryway, allowing easy entrance even if you have limited mobility. All Jacuzzi Home Safety Baths are made in the U.S.
Hang on.
And they come with a limited lifetime warranty. Is it easy? Most installations
hang on.
completed in just a couple of days.
Hi.
For a limited time, take advantage
Hi,
of
Stash.
$10 off spring special. Set up a no
Hi, Stash.
and receive dinner for two
Dad's home.
in Olive Garden restaurant. Call 1-800.
Dad's home. Hang on. Dad's home. Hang on.
I tore both my rotator cuffs. First I injured this
Who's
shoulder,
home?
then this one too much.
Hang on. Who's home?
Playing with my kids.
Hang on.
But a lot of doctors could have gone in.
Who's home?
Can't fix it. But he didn't give
Who's
up.
home?
Today I could
Hold on.
kids around the pool. I could still coach rugby.
Do you know who's home?
At Sutter Health, our story is you.
You know who's home?
Visit SutterHealth.org. I'm 1, I'm 2, I'm 3 times all into you. Inside my heart it still beats.
You know who's home?
I'm
Look.
4, I'm 6 at the best of times. Inside my heart it still beats.
Dad's home.
Engineered so well, it's been
Dad's home.
car and drivers 10 best more times than any
Look, he's gonna come through the door.
Look for money-saving leases and low financing.
He's gonna come through the door.
Or go to shophonda.com.
There he comes. Here it comes.
It's brought to you by Honda.
There he is. You see him? You all excited?
A great white shark released from the Monterey Bay Aquarium.
Hi. Say hi.
The young female got caught in a fishing net off Baja, California.
Say hi, Dad.
The aquarium was able to confirm
Say hi, Dad.
using the electronic tag.
Say hello.
To that shark.
Or goodbye.
Sharks are legally protected off California and
Yeah.
Mexico, but are
Hello.
sometimes accidentally caught by commercial fishermen. The shark was the fifth in a series of such releases. All of the previous ones apparently.
What's he doing?
State wildlife officials launched a major effort to preserve the Chinook salmon population.
What's he doing, Stash?
After
a while, I